Thank you for watching the video, and if this is your first time on the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, you like, you comment, and you share the video. And don't forget that our preparatory classes for the different concours after you finish your GCE starts on the 12th of July this year, that is 2022. It's going to start on the 12th of July at our different centers. We have 5 centers. We have 2 centers in the southwest, one in Boya and the Andanke University Institute besides former police Moniko. We have one at GS Likumba, that's Government School Likumba in Tiko. We have 2 centers in Bonaberi, that is one at Fimat, that is one